Put on the oversized tech forks, inverted. Tall fender. And we got low bars because I had to put in bar risers to clear the top fork leg coming through. And we ran tubeless and with the IRC VX40 90/90 tire. Your plate 2 is in. So that's got the rear brake, easy pull clutch.
Okay, we're missing
some grips.
some grips because Kim did not give it to me.
And then, let's see, what is it? Formula front brake came with the forks. That's all hooked up. And then we did put on the 14th tooth countershaft sprocket. I just have to get a new chain tomorrow.
Okay, chain it.
And then that's all we've got done.
So far,
Yeah.
we still have to work on the low compression, right?
Yep. I'm gonna have to put on
And then
this low compression dome, S3. I gotta pull everything apart, take that out, pop that in.
Dennis is going to do.
Yeah, Dennis is gonna do a cage for the seat. It's a KLX 110 tall seat. And that'll be it. You're ready to go out and test it.
Some trails. Beautiful that is.